Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to download OnlyFans app on your Android device. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. OnlyFans is a private social platform where content creators and their fans can have a one-to-one conversation or engagement with each other. In order to download the application, go visit your Play Store or your App Store and search for OnlyFans, and you'll be able to find the application on your Play Store. You can also go to your web browser. In the search box, type in OnlyFans, download, and search. Go to this link right here, and after you open up the application, tap on Free Download. From the pop-up, select OK, and your application is downloading. Once the application has been downloaded, you'll need to install it on your device. Tap on the Install button, and after it is done installing, tap it open. That is how you can easily download OnlyFans on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.